this video we're going to use our knowledge of cubic equations and cubic graphs to find the equation when we've been given some information. So let's suppose we've been given some information about a cubic and we've got to find the equation. So let's suppose we know that the point of inflection of a cubic is at 1, 3. And we also know that the cubic itself passes through a known coordinate 0, 5. Now you might spot that that's actually the y-intercept, but that helps if we're trying to sketch it, but we're trying to find the equation, and when we've got the point of inflection, we may as well use point of inflection form and use this as the other coordinate to help us find A, the dilation factor. So the first thing I'm going to do is write the general equation down and substitute in our point of inflection into our equation. We get -1 cubed plus 3. Now I'm going to use when x equals 0 and y equals 5 to find the value of a. So 5 equals a bracket 0 minus 1 cubed plus 3. Let's work this out. So that 5 equals a times, well, -1 cubed is -1, so that becomes minus a plus 3. Moving this about, I get a equals 3 take away 5, a equals -2. Substituting this back into this here will give me the full equation of the cubic, y equals -2 bracket x minus 1 cubed plus 3. Alright, now let's have a go at when we get given some of the factors or solutions or roots. Right, so I've got here to find the equation of this cubic, and I've been given the roots, or the where it cuts the x-axis. It cuts at 1, 3 and -1, not given in order, but that's okay. And this also passes through the point 0, 6. So when we've been given the roots, the best form of equation to use is root form. So I'm going to write out root form and substitute in what we know. So I'm going to sub in. Now remember, when we put the solutions in, we'll have to change the sign. So let's put that in. So I've got, it doesn't matter if I don't put them in order, x minus 1, x minus 3, and x plus 1. All right, now I still need to find a, so I'm going to use this other coordinate that it passes through, which happens to actually be the y-intercept, but let's just sub it in. So when so we're going to sub in when x equals 0, y equals 6, and solve for a. So 6 equals a multiplied by 0 minus 1, multiplied by 0 minus 3, multiplied by 0 plus 1. So working that out, we've got a multiplied by -1, multiplied by -3, multiplied by +1. +3, +3. So 6 equals 3a, so a equals 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So it's a positive cubic with a as 2. So I then sub a back into this, and that is the equation of my cubic. And there you have it.